Welcome back to my channel. This is M1A2 Brickware. Today I'll be building this. It's another Abrams. It's set number 2623, M1A2 SEP version 3 Abrams. And it contains 1017 pieces, which is right there. So this is like a NATO camo that this Abrams had, and this will be given to the Polish Army, or supposedly given to the Polish Army. But we don't know the delivery of this tank yet. So let's take a look at the box. So this is the front of the box, and this is the backup box with the description of the vehicle. And here's the side, and here's the other side. So just letting you know that Brickman did make a camo version of this tank as well, but of course that costs $500, way more than this. This one, my sister-in-law gave me this one also. It costs about $70 to $71 on Amazon right now. But if you go to a website called militarybricks.com, they have I think they have a sale for a little bit less than that. So let's take a look inside the box. We got the instruction manual on the back of it. Inside of it, we got 1, 2, and 3 bags. So I will sort the pieces and do the build. this is the finished build of the M1A2 Abrams SEP 3. Here's one side. Here's the front. Here's the other side. And here's the back. Of course, it does roll like other Abrams tanks, like this, pretty well on a hard surface or soft surface. And the turret does rotate 360 degrees. And also the cannon elevates and depresses. You got the side machine gun there. And then it has two open hatches, which usually is one with the one Kanker minifigure. And also open hatches right there. And also opening hatches in the back, where you could get access to the engine by lifting this up right here. Okay. And also you have opening hatch right here, which you could see right this. Lift it up. And you swing it open like this, which is pretty neat feature. You had other elements, but I couldn't do that the same way. Okay, close it like this. Okay, and then so also this one has the crows on the top of the turret, which stands for common remotely controlled weapon system, which I think they did store on the current Abrams as well, and the Polish one comes with this. And also it has another machine gun on this side, which faces the other way. And of course on the back you have a sandbag right there and two antennas right there. Now I like this model because it's a different color. You know, usually get Abrams in tan and something like that, but then they decided to finally go with the NATO camouflage. And also it comes with the Polish Army emblem. So I did some research, and then the Polish Army does have this few of these tanks. They got it back in June of this year, which I guess should help them protect the borders. So and other things that I'm also gonna. So this might be my last video for the year, but then of course I'm gonna do more content starting next year when it comes to in the month of January, which I'll do more military builds or do some more regular builds. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below what you'd like to see next. And have a nice day and see you next year.